What happens when you feel that you veer off your path so far? Did you really veer off your path? Or did you just take a detour? It's hard to know. It's hard to know who you're supposed to be, who you're supposed to be with. Have you found your way or have you lost it? In a way, we might all feel like have lost our way. Maybe along the way we will find the right way. Even though everything's so messed up and broken, maybe this is just the way we had to go in order to find the right path, to find ourselves, to find our spirit, to redefine who we are. Maybe that's it. Do not lose your hope. Enjoy the beauty along the way. Enjoy your friends along the way. And your foes. Be blessed.